Giving me like, what, stiff where? Me feeling myself a little bit. Yes, period, Pooh. Ain't that what y'all saying now? Period, Pooh. At first, I was a little angry, but it did not defeat me. Listen, this bob got me feeling some type of way. Stick, make it move. Myself, if you guys want to know about this bob and all the ins and outs of it, continue watching. Mwah.
Snazzy. Hey. She ain't just classy, call her snazzy.
And I just want to do my hair really quick. I'll probably just be wearing this wig for today, so I'm not really finna melt no lace or anything like that. But while I was getting into this, I was like, okay, why not do a little review on this? Because I got this from Amazon, and I don't usually buy wigs or things like that from Amazon. But it had a little pretty good reviews, and like sounds like a little quick bob. You know, it's summertime. I don't really want no long hair down on my shoulders or like around me, so I was like, you know what, let me try this new bob that I just got. Okay, so they sent me, the company that sent me this was called Nobel, and it's synthetic hair. It's a synthetic bob type hair. I have it in the color TT6/23C. The style is called Lace Aaliyah, or something like that. Okay, so I did my hair like this, little ponytail in the back, braid, and I'm going to take this braid and I'm going to put it really tight so it can look flat, and I'm going to use a bobby pin to just bobby it down. So now I'm going to just take a wig cap. It's all love, man. It's all love. It's all love. All right, so I'm finna throw this wig cap on. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna tell y'all the specs of this wig once I finish cutting the lace. We're gonna, the inside, it had this like cover thing that I didn't like, so I went ahead and I cut that off. It was like a net. I went ahead and I cut that off, and this black thing, like, I don't know what that is. That's like some type of scout thing, and if I remove it, all the hair in the front gonna come out, so I just left it alone. The inside of the cap, it has that mesh cap construction, which I love. I hate when a wig does not have this. I don't know, I just feel naked when a wig doesn't have this like type of mesh cap cover. It does has the adjustable strap, one comb in the back, and then do we have any combs in the front? Yes, it has one comb in the front here and one comb here. I don't never use the combs. Sometimes I use the combs in the front, but I still don't remove them either because I don't have time for that. But yeah, so how the wig is made, you have the blonde to the back. I don't know why is it chopped like that, but whatever. Let me see. It's chopped weird. It does shed. Yeah, it does shed. Wow. Yeah, it does shed. Geesh. It sheds a lot, you guys. A lot. I mean a lot from the root. It shreds. Yeah. It definitely shed. It's cut kind of weird too. I'm gonna show y'all what I mean too. Like, it's cut weird. Do y'all see that? Like, what in the like, what is that cut? What? Okay, anywho, let's hope the best. Child, I don't know how they cut this wig, but they cut it, child. Let me put this wig on before I throw the whole damn wig away, because it's kind of making me feel some type of way. Okay. You guys see the part in space? That is the part in space. What? you really don't have in that much lace in the front. As you can see, you have somewhat like space in the front. It's maybe like a 3x3 type of, because I don't want to say this a 4x4, honey, because I just don't think it is. Right now I'm getting my Ruby Kisses matte foundation in color Golden Honey. Pat, 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 pat. And I'm going to put it on that little lace. Because, honey, I can't do it. This out of the way. And then what I'm going to do, I'm not going to use no glue today, but I am going to use glue strips. And these glue strips is bold hold. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to put one directly in the middle because I do have a widow's peak. I'm going to put one on here and one here, halfway on the cap and halfway on my skin. Just let you know they work, honey, because I couldn't even get it off. All right, so now what I'm going to do is do one side at a time. Okay, and then I'm going to do this side. I know I said I wasn't going to put no glue, but I'm just going to put a little dab here in the middle. And I'm also using the bold hold adhesive. And I'm just going to put just a little. Just a little. I'm going to fan it. So now I'm going to get the comb and just press that down. And this wig, it's made a little funny, right? Because it feels snug in the front, but it feels very loose in the back. So that's what I'm going to say about the fit. It feels snug somewhat in the front. Before I put the adhesive and stuff, it felt snug in the front. So I parted, and now I'm going to go in with my foundation. Don't worry about if it get on the hair. You could clean that up later. All right. So I'm going to work with one side first. I have my She Balm wax stick. So I'm going to work with this side first to try to get it under control before I lay the baby hairs. Oh my God, my hot comb had turned off. All right, so I'm going to just run it through really quick. I have it on the highest temperature. It gets pretty hot as soon as you turn it on. So Yeah, it gets pretty hot as soon as you turn it on. As you can see, it do take heat. This part, some only in the front I'm doing because it ain't like you can see anything else. Just thinning them out. That's all. And you know the key to this is let the glue, let it get a little tacky. Like tacky. That's the key. Letting it get a little tacky. Okay. So that's one side. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. So again, let the glue, when it get tacky, it's a little bit more manageable than when you first put it on. It's like wet. Let it get tacky. All right, so I like to put 2. And I leave this on for like 5 minutes and I will come back. Now what I'm going to do is go in with my foundation. Again, what I'm going to do is do the wax stick. Again. Alright, I'm going to do this side first because I don't think I did this side. If I did, I don't remember. Oh, yeah. I'm just going really quick through it because, again, it is synthetic hair. You don't want to just be like, you know, treating it as if it's human hair because, honey, it's not. It's not. It's not. Okay. So, and I think we Gucci. Do people still use that? I think we Gucci. That let y'all know how old I am. And I like it or whatever, but this is definitely not a wig. This is definitely not a wig that you could sleep in or keep in. Like I said, it's just for today because I wanted my hair put up. I didn't want my hair out. And I wanted something quick and fast. This was quick and fast. Remember, I did not glue down the sides. I just did the front area. And this was something quick, fast, and easy to do. It's just the blending part. Like, I did good, you guys, but it's the blending part for me because they have this little skin... I don't know what, you know what, when I get tired of this wig, I'm going to take this wig apart and see what the hell that is. It has this other film type thing in it. And if you try to remove it, all the lace front hair going to come out with it. So I could not move it. But if I was able to move it, then it would have blended even better than this. And honestly, yeah, even if I would have did the melting cap thing, it wouldn't make no sense due to the fact that that little film thing that's here, it's still going to show. So if that wasn't there and if I had a way to move it, the blending thing would have been better. But due to the fact that I cannot move it, don't have a way to move it, it is what it is. This is the front. The side. The back. I hope that little knot not showing right here, but I hope it's not. The back, because if it is, I'm gonna have to try to find a way to fix it. the other side and back to the front. So yeah, if you guys want to know about this wig, I will leave all the information down in the description box. Once again, I got it off of Amazon. And yeah, I'm gonna leave everything down in the description box. As I keep looking at it, I feel cute, you know, a quick cute, you know. So, and I don't even have no makeup on. My eyebrows not even done, but I think I'm gonna throw on some lashes and maybe a little lip gloss. And yeah, you will see how this look, you know what I'm saying? The opening of this video. Thank you for watching my video. I really love this side. Like, I do. Be good to me today, wig. Anywho, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for always supporting your girl. Once again, be safe out there, because you guys know that these are difficult times. You know, just be safe. It's crazy people out there in the world. Always put God first. Yeah, I don't know what else to say, but I will be back again with another video probably later on this week. Love ya. Mwah.